Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a report that looked at Threads, a new social media app that launched in July 2023. Threads connects directly with Instagram and had an amazing start, reaching over 100 million sign-ups in less than 5 days, which is a record for any social media platform. However, this quick growth doesn't last long, as the number of daily active users dropped by almost 80% in just 1 month. In this presentation, I will share the main points from the report, focusing on how Threads grows and how it's compared to Twitter and what it can do to keep its growth. The report used a model called the Bayes model to understand how Threads gain users. This model explains how new users join a platform based on two groups: innovators who are attracted by new ideas, and imitators who are influenced by their friends and social connections. Threads grew quickly because it was linked to Instagram, which already has many users. However, the report pointed out a big problem. While Threads got a lot of users at first, it has trouble keeping them engaged. Many studies often forget how important it is to keep users interested in a competitive market, and this is a crucial point for Threads. The analysis showed that Threads growth relied a lot on attracting new users, but not enough on keeping them active. To study Threads growth, the report collects data on how many downloads of Threads had from July 2023 to March 2024. These data were essential for using the Bayes model, which help estimate how many users will adopt a new product over time. The model focuses on three key parameters. Market potential. This indicates the total number of users that can possibly download the app. In the case of Threads, the estimated market potential is about 333 million downloads. The other parameter is the innovation coefficient. This coefficient measures how many early adopters join the platform because they are excited about new features or ideas. For Threads, the innovation coefficient is estimated at 0.005. Another coefficient is the imitation coefficient. This coefficient measures how many users join the platform based on social influence, meaning they will see their friends and others using it and decide to join. For Threads, the imitation coefficient is estimated at 0.008. The innovation coefficient is much higher than imitation coefficient, which matches the growth of Threads that rely on Instagram user base. However, the small value of both coefficients point out that Threads struggle to turn Instagram help into lasting growth. When we compare Threads to its main competitor, X, which is also known as Twitter, the differences are clear. X has over 611 million monthly active users and 245 million daily active users, which is much higher than Threads, which only have 320 million monthly active users and 100 million daily active users. X offers many features like direct messaging, advanced search tools, and real-time news updates, which keep users engaged and attract brands looking for visibility. On the other hand, Threads is mainly for mobile use and is closely tied to Instagram, which limits its usability on other devices. While Threads aims to create a community-focused experience, it currently lacks the fast content delivery and trending features that X provides. This competitive situation shows the challenge that Threads is facing to find its place in the social media world. In order to maintain the sustainable growth of Threads, we suggest a few strategies that Threads can do. First, Threads should allow the user to customize their feeds based on interests, adding direct messaging and provide better analysis tools to enhance user experience. Moreover, to stand out from X, Threads need to focus on unique content like special community, which also protecting privacy and safe interaction at the same time. On the other hand, Threads users only spend about 3 minutes a day on the app, while X users spend almost 31 minutes on the app. By adding fun features like audio posts and other memes, Threads can engage users to interact more. Last, Threads has a chance to grow in countries like Japan and India, where it can localize features and support more language to attract more users. In summary, Threads had a fast start thanks to its link with Instagram, but it now faces bigger problems and challenges in keeping users engaging and competing with Threads, competing with X. By following the recommendation in the report, improving features, creating a unique identity, boosting engagement, and expanding globally, Threads can have a better position itself in the social media market and work toward long-term success. Thank you for your listening, and I'm happy to present this report. Thank you.